You know where we at. You fucking sinner. Where we at? Where we at?
Texas.
Back again in Texas where the winners are sinners, bro! Estamos en Texas.
Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, hanging around and shooting some rounds.
You know it, brother. You know it.
Yeah.
Aquí estamos.
Deep south, the very south Texas.
La mera punta del tip de I mean, So, yes, guys, we still have the fridge.
Yep, and as you can see, there's some bees there.
Ahí está unos wasps. Watcha. There's some wasps. Yes, they made a nest already. I'm not afraid of getting stung, so. I don't know if you see that. Ah! Fuck that shit! It flew to my ear!
I told you not to get close. I told you, hey, man.
It flew right to my ear!
Esas son Texas wasp, bro.
Damn, they're huge. You know? Trying to get it on camera. Ay. Está una en el piso. Ah! It flew again to my ear. Screw that.
Ahorita we're gonna use my 20 gauge. See if we can do a hole on it. Hey, maybe we can hit it this way, no?
Do you think it'll go through or no?
I think so.
I don't think so, Fred.
We won't get chased by the wasp.
Oh, shit.
I thought you put 5 on him.
On 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, I only shot 4, no?
Mira, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, son 5. It did went through. Ah! Wasp! Ahí están, guys, you know. Pues su pinche madre. I don't know who they were, but they're a fan of hanging. I don't know who they were, but they're fans of hanging around, shooting some rounds. Damn, Fred, that lo hizo de males, you know.
Let me do another 5.
Pues su madre.
¿Dónde viste las wasps? I can hit them.
Allá están abajo, arriba en top
Yeah.
fridge. Yep.
See if we can.
Damn. So if you're behind a fridge,
This is a 20 gauge.
damn.
You better run.
Better run, don't hide behind the fridge.
You better run, buddy.
Hey, buddy, pero si traes mandada y todo, maybe it will stop, ¿no?
Con los groceries.
Con las groceries.
La milk y la...
Yeah, it probably will stop, ¿no?
Maybe you have there some, your spare condom.
Hey, shh. No, me lo hizo agarrarse. That was just a 20 gauge. A ver. Oh, shit! There's one! Ah! Mira. Está chingona la culera. Damn, friend. It went through. Ah! Get away, go away! Ah! Fuck.
How many feet on yours?
Ah,
How many of them?
5?
5. There should be 3.
Says who?
Texas State Law, buddy.
Hey, Texas State Law could kiss my grits.
5.
5, buddy. Te tumba, Fred, te tumba.
Is this choke gauge a lot stronger than 20?
Son iguales, ¿no?
Oye, esos... Hold on. Let's show what you got.
Ah, sí.
Why? You show it.
Mira, guys.
This is your regular ones right here.
Estos son regular 12 gauge.
No.
And I got the jumbo. I got the Jerry Peter sight.
Damn.
I got Fred's. I got
Damn, bro. You bought those at Walmart?
No me lo compré en Academy.
Oh. Dude, we need to try those, dude. You're gonna have to try those on yours. Might not caber 3 now.
Yeah, yo me acabé 3.
Because they're longer.
You try it.
No, you go for
¿No
it.
se me explota la mano?
Dude, it's a risk I'm willing to take. Como quiera, your wife won't say anything.
No dice nada.
You go on unemployment, buddy.
Unemployment.
Disability. You like disability. 4? No, yeah.
Yep, nomás 4.
Dude, those are long, bro. Let's see if they kick a lot harder.
Why are you scared? Ah!
Yeah?
Straight.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hombre.
Yep.
Hey, mira. It didn't even go hard. It didn't even come out.
No cabe.
Why did you buy these? Why did you buy these?
I wanted to try them out.
This damn thing is stock.
Get the knife.
Where is it? That's
Damn.
very long.
Don't get them. It has a good kick though.
Yeah, you know what? Pero pues, if anybody knows, they should come out. They should eject. I mean, why make them that long? Do you think that there are other rifles they have bigger ejection ports? Comment on that, please.
Si no, keep on scrolling. Así de fácil. Damn.
Stuck?
No, hombre, no está stuck. Fíjale aquí.
No. It's not going inside.
No.
No. Stuck in there,
Entonces
dude.
más una.
That's weird, dude. Somebody comment on that. We'll get it stuck ahorita.
Yep. But I did feel a different kick.
Yeah? That's, dude.
En serio, Fred.
Yeah, because estos, I mean, honestly, these are real soft. The 20 gauge is, pues es some youngsters for youngsters. I mean, if you're a good shooter, but it don't matter.
Like Jerry.
Like Jerry and Fred.
Don't not try this shit at home, kids.
See?
Well, así, bueno, dale gas.
No, I'm saying, they kick that hard?
Yes, Fred. Mira, van las palomas.
Where? Ah, break time.
Damn, oh shit.
Break time. Oh.
Damn. Acá está fuerte la 20 gauge.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love it.
Dude, esta es una Remington y tiene sus wood stock. I mean, it's a clean 20 gauge, like, you know?
Ya se me está quitando el pain.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's weird, dude, how long they are. You know, they don't come out from the ejection port.
Está ejection port como que está chiquito. Compare.
Yeah.
That was on the 2 barrels, Fred.
Maybe.
Damn, Fred.
Oh, we need a new refrigerator.
Fucking guys, we should have a fridge. No se aburren.
Yeah.
No. I mean, shit. Instead of buying shit, let's destroy shit, no?
Yeah, let's just destroy shit.
Yeah, shit.
Like Demolition Ranch.
Who?
Demolition
Who?
Ranch.
Don't mention that name. Shit. Don't.
You like the Russian guy.
The Russian? Fuck that guy too, man.
What do you mean? You used to love the Russian
I
guy.
love that guy, but man, he's from San Antonio.
He's not Russian.
He's not Russian. Y el otro vato que I'm barely seeing, dude.
Which one?
Los vatos que los twin brothers del 12 gauge y la chingada.
Yeah.
Dude, I got news for you. I got a trick for you too. Se llama the misser.
The misser.
The misser.
That means you miss us all the time.
All the time. I'm gonna shoot the canasta, the green barrel, and I'm not gonna miss. That's a good trick, bud. Ah, I missed.
That's what 105 degrees aquí en Texas does to you.
What?
You see, that's what it does to you, man. 105 degrees.
105 degrees to put all crazy.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
brothers, I like your tricks, but mine is better, bro.
Yep.
I'm sorry. But till next time, Fred and Jerry,
Yep.
hanging around.
And keep commenting, guys.
Yeah, have fun.
We'll keep answering them. All right. See you guys next time.
Peace.
Later.